our present discussion on the passive voice. Sometimes students are so much eager to know what is actually passive. It has the freedom of speaker when the speaker is interested only to give fact and only to convey who or what experiences or receives the action, the speaker always use passive form. Now we see there are two sentences. You mark the sentences on the whiteboard. Again, I want to give clearly the meaning of passive. Passive, you mark passive is a form of a verb which expresses who or what receives or experiences the action of a verb. Suppose here is action steal, here is action kill. Who receives the action kill? The dog. And here, who receives the action of steal? My bicycle. So, who receives or what receives the action? If it is expressed beginning of the sentence takes a special form that we call passive form. आमे एइथिपाई याकु पैसिव फॉर्म को जेते बेले कोनोसी कार्य घटे कार्यटी को किए एक्सपीरियंस करे अर्थात कार्यटी को किए फील करे एटी डॉग किल एक्शन टी को डॉग रिसीव करछि अर्थात किलिंग क्रियाटी डॉग ऊपर घटुछि स्टील क्रियाटी बाइसाइकेल उपरे घटुछि तेणु जहा उपरे क्रियाटी घटुछि सी जते बेले आगो को आसिकी लेखा होछि दैट इज पैसिव फॉर्म इफ वी आर इंटरेस्टेड हु परफॉर्म्स द एक्शन वी राइट इन एक्टिव हु performs action that is active. Suppose my friend stole my bicycle. Then who caused the action? My friend. And what happened? My bicycle undergoes the action, undergoes or experiences the action. So it is first as the agent first. So it is called active. Where the agent is first, where we focus on agent, it is active. Similarly, he killed the dog. Then I am interested focus on the agent he. So he killed the who performed the action, he performs the action. So it is in active. You mark when the agent is focused on or when we focus on agent, active. When we focus on patient, also it is called object, that is passive. So in both cases, my bicycle and a dog, we focus on, they are passive. When the object of the sentence we focus on, it is passive. When the actual agent we focus on, that is active. In passive voice, a special verb form is used, and the special verb form we call it be plus V3. What is V3? V3 is the past participle form of a verb. It is the main device. B plus V3 is the main device to operate passive voice. And the identification of passive voice is very easy to those students, to those learners, viewers, who always keep in mind before taking into testing or examination of the voice whether the verb pattern is B plus V3 or not. If the verb pattern is B plus V3, it is in passive. If there is no B plus V3 verb form, it is active. When the sentence transfer to passive, the primary sentence is subject verb plus object. Now we make a cross line. Subject, verb, object. It is active. When the sentence take a reverse system, takes a reverse system, come to front, object, verb, plus a subject, or we say plus by subject. It is in passive, and in the passive form the verb changes B plus V3. To keep it in your mind, you make such type of crossing mark, subject plus verb plus object, active, object plus B plus V3 plus by plus subject is passive. And the verb should be in active voice. It is called a transitive verb. Sometimes the students feels why it called transitive verb, because the verb transit. For example, he killed a snake. You mark, kill is the action, and the action kill, transfer or transit to snake, passes. It passes he to snake. देखो एठारे क्रियाटी किल क्रियाटी ही ठारू स्नेक पर्यंत गति करुछि, तेणु ही ठारू स्नेक पर्यंत से पास करुथिबारु आज इट पास, सो इट इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिट एंड द वर्ब इज कॉल्ड ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब सबु बेले कर्ता ठारू कर्म को पास करे. My bicycle was stolen, he stole my bicycle, my friend stole my bicycle. In this way we can take the example, and subject plus verb plus object is called active. When we write subject plus B plus V3. It is optional. Plus by plus S is optional. It is called a passive. So the passive voice is always object plus B plus V3 form. This is main device to operate passive, object plus B plus V3. Sometimes the object is also called patient. Let's discuss how the active forms, the different forms of different tense changes to passive. Suppose there is a sentence belongs to simple present, how it changed to passive using this main device. By using B plus V3 we can change. In simple present there is no auxiliary except interrogative and a negative sentence. So B will be the first auxiliary. In present simple, B is first auxiliary, am, is, are plus V3. Then come to present progressive. In present progressive active form we find am, is, are their own auxiliaries. Ementan is auxiliary plus the main verb is V, verb plus ing form. So the present progressive changes to passive. When it changes to passive, it takes the own auxiliary of the concerning form. So it takes first am, is, are. Then there is no auxiliary, B will be the last auxiliary. So as it is progressive form, B takes ing form. And a main verb takes V3 form. So B ing means being. Come to present perfect. Present perfect has one auxiliary has plus V3. So it takes a first auxiliary of the concerned form have or has, plus as it is perfect form, B takes perfect form, B perfect form been plus V3. When it is progressive, B takes a progressive form. When it is perfect, B takes a perfect form. In the same way, we proceed to past. Simply past in the same way takes was or were plus V3. In present progressive, in the same way, past progressive takes was, were, and all rest are same. Only the auxiliaries, the primary auxiliary changes. And past perfect, we go to past perfect. When we proceed to past perfect, it would be had plus been plus V3. Very easy principle. If you mark, you can easily record it in your mind. And all the modals, rest are the modals. All the modals will take modal plus B plus V3. Shall, will, can plus B plus V3. So we will just to passive.